Alright you guys, here's your pal One Man One Camera. Today is August 10th, 2020, about 4:20 in the afternoon, 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind 12 miles per hour out of the west, I believe, not sure. Anyway, so today we're at the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. Let's see what's happening. So hey, so check it out. So right now, hang on, let's go this way first. Let's go to the left. Okay. So, where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. That little round thing in the center of the screen, right there, that's part of Elon Musk's boring company, as they have been digging from this side of the convention center to the far side, to the eastern side of the convention center. Now, actually, I did tweet him once and say, hey, look, can I get a look-see at your boring, company tunnel? He didn't reply. Can't understand why he didn't. Anyway, so things looking good. Now, this great panel right here, previously, we could see the stairs, and at the bottom, we can see some of the stairs. Hang on, let's zoom in a little bit, hold on. Okay, at the bottom, we can see some of the stairs, or some of the edges of the stairs, okay? And then if we go to the right, there's a crew working on the exterior. Okay, looking good. And if we pull back and look down the street, we get something of a nice shot of the roof of the convention center. Now, as we can see, this glass is all installed, looking good. All the scaffolding seems to have been removed. Now we're going to walk down a little bit, okay? All right, let's go. Okay, we're down here on W Reynolds, and here's something you don't see every day. Somebody chucked out a mattress on the side of the street. I hate dumping, or what do you call them? Fly tipping. I think that's a British word for them. Fly tippers, fly tipping. Anyway, come on, people. Just, all right. Anyway, back to the convention center. So, it's looking pretty good. Now, here's the thing. We've been saying how it had to be done by CES, which opens in January 2021, the Consumer Electronics Show. That has been canceled and will be online or virtual show. For those who don't know, CES is either the biggest or one of the biggest conventions held in Las Vegas annually. I believe 100,000 or maybe 110,000 people show up to this convention. It's just it's consumer goods. It's cameras, TVs, smart home things, computers, a whole lot of things. I've only seen video because I can't get in, or couldn't get in, because they only invite people, they only allow people in who have a certain media or multimedia or social media presence. And so I've never qualified. It's looking good. This is gonna be a short video, you guys. Now, okay, now I'm right in front of the convention center, and you can see through the glass, it looks like a escalator and some railings and that sort of thing. So, and the reflection of some of the building, but I wonder what it looks like on the inside. Yeah? I wonder. All right, let's keep moving. Every now and then, someone asks me about this Majestic Spa Sky Suites hotel and wondering if any progress has been made. And I can tell you, as far as the ground goes, nothing has been done, okay? We got this sign right here, and below that sign is a temporary office building, that blue thing right there. And then we have the field, or the ground, which has virtually, as far as I can tell, no work done on it at all, okay? So as far as I can see, nothing has been done as far as physically for this hotel, all right? And there you go. All right, guys, thank you. All right, you guys, that will just about do it for today as far as Las Vegas Convention Center goes. Like I said, CES has been canceled, so who knows what's gonna happen next year. But anyway, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello back, take care wherever you are, and have a great day. Just a short one today for the LVCC. Just a short one. All right, you guys, I am pooped out. Talk to you later. Bye.